Hello, hello, everyone. It's Sunday, and I hope you're enjoying yourself. And we are here with my co-creator, myself and my co-creator, Rhonda, to talk about your inner GPS and how you can use it to help you. Rhonda, why don't you take it away?
Thank you, Mehrnaz. Yes, I love my inner GPS because it makes life so much easier. It helps me to know, where I'm going, what to do. And I want to tell you, how do you connect with this? Well, meditation is wonderful. Going out in nature, you can hear really well your inner GPS. Dancing, having fun, anything that creates fun, your inner GPS is right there talking to you. So if you haven't tried connecting with your inner GPS yet, go out and give it a try and have a wonderful, wonderful day today.
Awesome,
See you next
awesome,
time.
awesome. Yes. And if you are in a cold place like I am, you can't go out. Just start writing down what you want and let it out. Okay. Thank you, everyone, for watching. Send you guys lots of love and ciao.